Here you have the newest offers from the marketplace of System.io. You can see that it's increasing. The frequency of new offers is increasing. So look at the dates, the 8th of March, 7, 5, 2, 1. And then in February, you had quite a lot also. Until here, we go down, we have 15 February, and until here. So 35 new offers in February and at the beginning of March. So that's increasing. At the moment, there are only 200 offers in English, but on the French marketplace of System.io, it's more than 10,000 offers. So in this year, 2023, System.io will really rise. We can see it, and if you look at the history of the new offers, you can see it has been 2 years to go to 200, and now it's about one every day, something like that. So it will increase very quickly from now on, and even there will be 2 or 3 or more new offers every day. And those are only the affiliate offers, of people using System.io to sell their product and offer an affiliate program. So that's not all the offers on System.io, it's only those with an affiliate commission. And if you click on Hot, so on this website, which is love-cola.com, you can see the hot offer. They are ordered by the amount of affiliate commission for the past 30 days. So you can see the offers and get your affiliate link, 1-page funnel, rotate for traffic, financial freedom for the rest of us, business coach, turn 1 hour of work a week into $2,000 a month, YouTube marketer, launch Excel macros and VBA school, and more. And if you click on popular here, it's another sorting. Those offers is not ordered by the past 30 days commissions. It's depending on the release date, the total amount of commissions, and the past 30 days. So all those criteria are put into one index, and the list is sorted by this index. And as you can see here, we have only 33 popular offers because it stops. If there is no sales for the past 30 days, it's not in this list. So really here you have only offers that have been sold at least once by an affiliate in the past 30 days. So you should focus your attention on this, and also maybe the newest offers, so you can be the first affiliate to earn money from this offer. And this offer will be in this list shortly after. So that's it for this video. If you want the link to love-cola.com, you can click in the description of the video. Bye bye.